So guys, welcome to another vlog of Ibrahim Vlog. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. So today we're going actually to uncover an iPhone 17 that we just bought. So let's go walk into the room and show you guys it. Alright guys, this is the iPhone 17. And now let's open it. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Alright guys, look at the orange color, everything. Here, look at the swiping. Look at the camera. Look. Oh, sorry. And this is how the picture came out. So nice. It's beautiful. And also, we actually have a case for it. So we're gonna put on the case and then we're gonna show you it. Okay guys, this is the case. We bought it from Amazon. It's fire. The color is nice, so let's put it on. Oh yeah guys, one more thing. Here look at the Siri. Hey Siri, what time is it? See that? It's so fire. Everything, the color's nice. And one more thing guys, that we're actually gonna eat I don't know, a burrito, something like that. With chicken inside, with a drink and chicken. And yeah, let's eat it. So let's go get it. Mukbang. Let's eat. First, let's start with kebab. It's bomb, guys. The kebab was one, and now we're gonna cut these into pieces so we can eat it. Alright, guys. Sorry, guys. I actually forgot. We got some Sprite on the side of it. Here's the bottle, and let's eat.
Last police
That's bomb, bro.